Hello and welcome to SolidCad. Today we are going to make this simple part here in SolidWorks. This is 140mm long and 85mm wide plate, and this plate, the side plate is uh, have uh, different curvatures here, and this is 100mm from center, and 50mm here, 20mm here, and 38mm the center of this here. This is 35 and 70, and this is 30. These bores, 2 holes, 16 dia. So let's start. This is radius 15 and this is radius 20. Because the dia is 40, so radius must be 20. So this dia is 18mm inside, and this dia 30mm inside, and this is 55mm. So let's start. I will open a new drawing, custom NC. Okay. On the front plane I will draw a sketch, a center rectangle, not center rectangle, simple rectangle. This is 140mm, and from here to there is 70mm, so it will come in the center. And this is, let me check, this is the height of this is 3mm here, 18mm total height here. Total height is 18mm. 18, like so. I will make this and this coincident. This and this coincident. This sketch is fully defined. I will extrude it. I will extrude it up to 85mm. 85mm. Okay. 85. Okay. On the back plane I will draw the sketch. I will draw a few circles here. This is 55 and this is 20mm here, 40mm radius, the 20mm, the 40mm dia, 20mm radius, and this is 38mm from here, 38, and this is 100mm from here, 100, and 50mm from there. This is 50 here, and this one here and here is 20mm, like so. I will draw a line from here to tangent to this, and I will draw another line from here, and I will draw one more line from here to here, and another from here to here. Okay, and I will close this down. I will trim this and trim entities, and this fillet, fillet is 25mm. I will check it. This is 25mm radius here, and 12mm thickness is 40, and this 55, and this 100mm and 50mm. As I did this, so let me draw a fillet here. I will draw the fillet of 25mm here. Okay, I will trim the extra things. I will trim this. This one and this one is collinear. Control Z. This is not collinear. There is some problem here. This must be vertical, so this is fully defined. Okay, I will extrude up to 12 millimeter, but the reverse direction. Okay, now I will draw a sketch here on this face. I will draw a sketch. I will wake up the center mark here and draw a sketch here, and another sketch here. Another sketch I will draw it later. I will draw another sketch of, let me check, this is 30 millimeter and this 55 millimeter. Okay, 30 millimeter. Okay, let me define it. It's 55 millimeter. Okay, and the sketch is fully defined. I will extrude it. I will extrude this and this both. Selected contours. I will select this also, like this. I will make it offset 12 millimeter, and total length is 36 millimeter, reverse direction, like so. Okay, I will wake the sketch and I will extrude it. Features, extrude base boss. I will select contour, delete this. I will select only this, and not extrude, sorry. I will go to cut extrude, and I will select contour, only this one, and through all both, like so. This is done. I will draw another sketch here, over here, of 40 millimeter, like so. I will give it a dimension of 40 millimeter, so it will fully define. And the bore is 18 millimeter here. This bore is 18 millimeter. I will show you. You can see this is 18 millimeter bore here shown. Okay, let me draw a sketch here of 18 millimeter. Okay, I will extrude it. I will select the contour, this and this, and extrude it up to this surface. Okay, up to surface, this surface. I will delete clear selection. I will take this. Okay, sorry, I took cut extrude. It's not cut extrude. Actually, I should take the extruded base boss, and this is okay, up to surface, like so. Okay, this is done. I will wake the sketch again, and now this time I will cut extrude it. I will take this sketch, selected contour, this contour, and through all. Okay, this is done. And there are two drills here of 16 millimeter, one here and another is here also 16 millimeter. both are these both are equal. This is 35 millimeter. Let me check. This is 35 and 70 and 30 from here. This is 35 and these here from here is 70 millimeter, and from here to here cancel, from here to there is 30 millimeter, and this should be horizontal. The sketch is fully defined. Let me clean this up. Okay, I will cut them, cut extrude through all. Okay, this is done, and there is a cut here on this side which is 3 millimeter and 18 millimeter left here and 18 there, and 3 millimeter is the deep cut here. So I will draw a rectangle here. I will give this dimension is 18 millimeter, and from here to here is also 18 millimeter, and 3 millimeter is the thickness. Sketch is fully defined. I will cut it through all. Okay, so this was the simple part here. We make it in SolidWorks. This is good for the beginners who wants to learn SolidWorks. And now let's give it some appearance. Let me give it some appearance like so, or this is a good, this one is looks good. Okay, so this was today's part for SolidWorks, and this is a good practice and good exercise. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.